Hello students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well and good. Today I am going to discuss with you invitation and replies, class 12th, format, examples. Invitation and replies, class 12, format, examples. The formal invitation card, letter in a fixed format, informal invitation, a letter or a note, free handwriting. This grammar section explains English grammar in a clear and simple way. There are examples, sentences to show how the language is used. Guidelines for writing formal invitation does not include the name of the addressee, the occasion, name of the invitee, name of host, day, date, time, venue means place is in this order. Details like name, address of the organizer, sponsor, host must be included. If a VIP is invited, then the name of the VIP should appear prominently. Now, formal invitations and in a formal invitation card start with the designation of the organizer followed by the name and address of the host. Host means who is organizing the function. Okay, and details of date, time, venue of the event, function, the name of the chief organizer with RSVP on the right, your left hand bottom corner of the card. RSVP is a French word respondez s'il vous plaît, meaning please respond. Okay, now I come to the sample invitation, formal invitation. It is of 4 marks, or this is a sample. This is an example of the a formal invitation. Mr. and Mrs. Khanna request the pleasure of your benign presence on the occasion of the marriage of their daughter, Aditi with Mehul, son of Mr. and Mrs. Rajiv Arora, Chandigarh, on 20th October 2000 at 10 a.m. Hotel Vikram, Lajpat Nagar, New Delhi. Or here from the at the bottom left hand side RSVP NK Khanna and a phone number. Okay, or this is the address 101 Kailash Colony, New Delhi. Okay, this is a formal invitation, or informal invitation is like a letter as you write, just like this one, 76B Bank Colony, Mandoli, New Delhi, October. Now, dear Vipin, you will be glad to know that Aditi's wedding has been fixed and the big occasion will take place on the 20th of the October 2020 at Hotel Vikram, Lajpat Nagar. We look forward to your presence along with your family at the wedding. Rest when we talk. Yours affectionately, Nirvay and Meeta. Okay, now, students, we can now there is another more example, formal invitation. Oh, it is about the birthday celebration. Mr. and Mrs. J.P. Mehra request the pleasure of your benign presence on the auspicious occasion of the birthday party of their daughter, my Mehika, at Shubh Banquet Hall, 21, Model Town, New Delhi at 5 p.m. on January 18 to 20, 2000, 20 You can year name according to the exam, because exam will take place board exam will be take place, or our own uh, school exam will take place in uh, 2021. So you have to write 21 as per the requirement of the. Then in formal invitation 765, Rahat Colony, Mandi House, New Delhi, January 2, 2020. Now the 2000, it depend on you only, the year name as per the time of the exam. Okay, so dear Vipin, you will be pleased to know that our Mahika has turned one. To celebrate the occasion, we have organized a party on January 18, 5 p.m. at a Shuk Banquet Hall, 71, Model Town, New Delhi. We will be glad if you come along with Mita and the kids. No, no regrets, no excuse, of course, no gifts. Yours affectionately, Jay and Ankita. Now, this is it is the informal way, or this is the formal way. I hope so कि you have understood it, and if you have any kind of doubt, so write in the comment box, and you can directly contact me and ask me through phone or any other resources as you have. Thank you very much for watching this video.